My pool kept turning green, and no matter how many chemicals I would put in, it would still have a dingy green color to it. And then I noticed I had these black spots on my steps. I have the PebbleTec pool, and I had all these little black spots here. And the only way that I could figure out to get rid of it was to use a chlorine pool tablet. I have this little holder that holds the chlorine pucks, so that way I can get in here and scrub the PebbleTec really good. There's this black algae and it has a protective coating over the heads, and it's really hard to get rid of it with a regular scrub brush or with the regular pool chlorine. So I decided to get out this little puck and scrub it really good. With this holder, I can scrub the protective coating off the algae really good, and then it dissolves the algae within a matter of minutes. But you have to be careful because this stuff can stain your pool steps and pool walls, so don't leave it on too long. And make sure you scrub it really good when you're done. I got this big scrub brush. This scrub brush is really nice because I can get into the nooks and crannies of the steps really good because it has the nice rounded sides to the brush. You want to make sure you get all the little white specks of chlorine tablet off of the steps. Otherwise, it will stain your pool steps and your pool walls or your pool floors. But yeah, this stuff works great. If you can get this little black algae off of your pool walls and your pool steps, then it'll stop it from turning green. This is a pretty nice pool brush too. I really like the rounded edges on it so that you can get down to the nooks and crannies of the steps really good. So yeah, this is a pretty nice pool brush. It works great for cleaning the steps like this.